Dear student, today discuss about the approximation algorithm. Today topic is approximation algorithm. So first discuss what type of outline of the today lectures. First, why approximation algorithm is used. What is the approximation ratio? And third is approximation vertex cover problem. Now three content are covered in this lecture. So first, we use the approximation algorithm because the three approaches of NP complete problem for small input and exponential algorithm is okay. Then we use apply the approximation algorithm. Try to solve important special cases in polynomial time and find near optimal solution to polynomial time worst case on average case. So an algorithm that return near optimal solution is called an approximation. If any algorithm that return near optimal solution is called the approximation algorithm. It is the definition of the approximation algorithm. So in approximation algorithm, we find out the approximation ratio. If for any input of size n for a problem and their cost equal to c of the solution produced by an algorithm with a factor of rho n of the cost c star of an optimal solution. So the main objective here, we maximize C upon C star, C meant approximation cost upon optimal cost, or optimal cost upon approximation cost is less than equal to rho of n. So we say that the algorithm has an approximation ratio of rho of n, or the algorithm is rho of an approximation algorithm. Here, C is the approximation cost of solving problem and C star mention the optimal cost of a given problem. If C by C star, if C is maximum, approximation cost is maximum with respect to optimal cost, then we take ratio C upon C star. And if the optimal cost is maximum with respect of approximation cost, we take the ratio of C star upon C. In both cases, we try to maximize the value of rho n. So we can write C upon C star comma C star upon C less than equal to rho n. And the algorithm has approximation ratio. Rho n or rho n is the approximation algorithm. So maximize the problem like that. 0 greater than C and less than equal to C star. If optimal cost is greater than or equal to approximation cost, but both are greater than 0. So minimize the problem. So minimize the problem. 0 less than C star less than equal to C. And C upon C star gives the factor by which the cost of the approximation solution is larger than the cost of an optimal. In first case, maximization problem like that, if optimal cost is greater than approximation cost, then we take the ratio optimal cost upon approximation cost. That gives the factor by which the cost of an optimal solution is larger than the cost of approximation solution. Now, second approach, minimization problem. If optimal cost is less than with respect to approximation cost, then we apply C upon C star gives the factor by which the cost of the approximate solution is larger than cost of an optimal solution. So approximation algorithm produce an optimal solution, large approximation ratio, a solution can be much worse and then optimal. This condition is possible. So have a small constant approximation ratio. Have approximation ratio that grow as a function of the input size and approximation ratio that grow as a function of the input size, because approximation ratio is directly proportional to input size of n. If input size is increases, then approximation ratio are affected and increases. Achieve the increasingly smaller approximation ratio by using more and more computation time. So approximation code that takes an input both, like that an instance of problem and a value epsilon greater than 0, such that any fixed epsilon, the scheme is 1 plus epsilon approximation algorithm. So polynomial time approximation scheme like that. An approximation scheme is a polynomial time approximation scheme if for any fixed epsilon greater than the 0, epsilon greater than 0, the scheme run in the time polynomial in size of n of its input instance. A fully polynomial time approximation scheme if it is an approximation scheme and its running time are polynomial both in 1 upon epsilon and in the size n of the input instance, then running time of we go 1 upon epsilon ka whole square into multiplied by n cube. This is the total cost. So approximation algorithm solve with the help of example like a vertex cover problem. Approximate vertex cover problem like that. If suppose a vertex cover of an undirected graph are given where G equal to vertex comma E, set of vertex and set of edges is a subset V dash is proper subset of V such that if U comma V is an edge of the G, then either U element of V and V element of V. U means such that U and comma V is an edge of G, then either U element of V and V also element of V, because V dash is the proper subset of capital V. The size of a vertex cover is the number of vertex in it. So an optimal vertex cover is a vertex cover of minimum size in a undirected graph, and vertex cover problem is to find an optimal vertex cover in a given undirected graph. For example of vertex cover like that. Several number of vertices is given A, B, C, D, E, F, and green indicated the vertex are cover the all edges. B, C, E, and D are coverage all edges. Similarly, B choose the vertex A, B, D, E, F. These also cover all vertex. So approximate vertex cover like that. If any given graph G, first C is empty phi. Now E tend to edge of graph assign in a E. While E is not equal to phi, जब तक E आपका edges पूरी finish नहीं हो जाती, to choose a arbitrary use U comma B from E, C equal to C union U comma B, and each edge is subtracted, जो choose कर लिया है subtracted from E and written find the solution. So find approximation cover in this example like that. C equal to phi, E tend to E of S, while E is not equal to phi, then choose the arbitrary as U comma B from E, arbitrary U choose करेंगे, and C equal to जो हमने अभी इनिशलाइज किया था फाई सेट ऑफ फाई, वो उसमें यूनियन करते जाएंगे यू कॉमा वी, एंड करस्पॉन्डेंस ई इक्वल टू ई माइनस एक्स कॉमा वाई, वेयर एक्स इक्वल टू यू एंड एक्स इक्वल टू वी, वाई इक्वल टू यू एंड वाई इक्वल टू वी. This is algorithm of vertex cover. So according to this algo, first we choose arbitrary h and vertex a comma b. These vertex these vertex are cover following edges like that. Now next we choose these D and F vertex और ये तब तक करेगा कि while जब E is equal to 5 नहीं हो जाता है and cover all edges by D and F. So all edges are covered by choosing these vertex. This is the example. Similarly, we apply this algorithm, vertex cover algorithm of the following graph. Graph is given B, C, D, A, E, F, G. C is equal to 5. Initialize C equal to 5. Vertex हमने choose नहीं किया. E set of edges and G है. Now E तब तक 5 नहीं हो जाता to choose the arbitrary edges U, V from E and C equal to C union V. All vertex are included when initialize the C and E minus E. E edges is subtracted, जो vertex cover हो जा रहे हैं subtracted from the graph. Suppose we choose two vertex B comma C. After choosing the B and C vertex, here two edges are covered, three edges, four edges are covered. That these edges are removed from the graph like that. Now next we select E and F edges, and EF edges covers three edges, EF vertex covers three edges like that. Now next we cover D and G, and all six vertex cover all edges is the approximation cost of this vertex cover problem. Now if we choose only one vertex like that, we choose V vertex, D vertex, E vertex. Choosing these three vertex also cover all half edges like that. So polynomial time to approximation algorithm proved that the order of V plus E, which is polynomial time algorithm, and C star set of optimal vertex cover, and C is the set of vertex returned by ABC. So vertex cover because ABC loops until all the edges graph is removed. So next we will show that C upon C star less than equal to 2 because in the given graph, approximation cost, we choose the vertex equal to 6, and optimal cost we choose only vertex 3. So we can show here, next we will show that C upon C star less than equal to 2. Let A be the set of edges chosen in the group. Since all edges incident of the chosen node C is removed, node 2 edges in A share the end point. But we choose only one vertex and cover all number of edges and remove from the graph. So the relation between approximation cost and optimal cost, like that, approximation cost equal to 2 times of optimal cost, means C upon C star, approximation cost upon optimal cost equal to 2. So we can prove the theorem. If any vertex V C star, there is at least one edge in the A with V in endpoint because C star is covered, and no two edges in A share the endpoint. So mod of A less than equal to C star, thus C equal to 2 time of A less than equal to 2 time of C star. So C upon C star less than equal to 2. So approximation value cost has approximation ratio like that is equal to 2. This is the approximation theorem. तो इस वाले पूरे लेक्चर में मैंने डिस्कस किया व्हाट इज द अप्रोक्सीमेशन, वी कैन सॉल्व which type of problem solved by approximation algorithm, and approximation algorithm is described with the help of vertex cover problem. and prove theorem, approximation cost equal to twice of optimal cost, we can say that approximation ratio of approximation cost upon optimal cost equal to less than equal to. Thank you.